All right, so we're going to do the area of a triangle. The first one is already solved for you, so I'm just going to walk you kind of through it. We see that you have 6 feet here as your base, and then you have 5 feet here as your height. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So B is your base and H is your height. So we're going to come down here, and all we do when we're finding or computing formulas is just plugging in the numbers. So here you have A equals 1/2, and that's already there. Now I'm going to plug in my base and my height. My base is 6, and my height is 5. So I'm going to multiply those two numbers, 6 times 5. And then I'm going to come down here and rewrite. And as always, when you are figuring out or trying to calculate area, perimeter, or what have you, always continue to write down the formula. So here is 1/2 times 6 times 5, which is 30. All right. Now it says here to multiply 30 by 1/2. And you can do that. You can say 0.5 times 30. You can do that. Or the simpler way to do it is just to divide by 2. Okay, so down here again, it's going to be A, or area, equals 30 divided by 2. Or again, like I said, you could always multiply 0.5, which is half, times 30. And that's going to give you 15 feet. So the area for this triangle right here is 15 feet square. And as usual, when we're dealing with area, our answer is in square units. All right, so here, let's look at this one right here. We're going to say here our base is 3 inches. Our height is 6 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and write down my formula. My formula is A equals 1/2 BH, which is base time height. Okay, so I'm going to go down here. A equals, again, just rewriting the formula, 1/2 base. My base is 3, and I'm going to use parentheses. Base is 3 times my height, which is 6. Okay, now I'm going to keep on going down. So rewriting, A equals 1/2 times 3 times 6, which is going to give me what? 18. And in your calculator, like I said, you can always multiply this 1/2, convert that 1/2 into a decimal, which is 0.5. 0.5 times 18. If you put that in your calculator, it should give you the same as 18 divided by 2. I think that's the simpler way to solve it. Instead of multiplying by 0.5, you can also divide by 2. These things are the same. So 18 divided by 2 is going to get me 9 inches squared. And that is how I solve for the area of a triangle.